subtracting on a budget. It's been a while since my last Dollar Tree haul. I want to say my last Dollar Tree haul was a Christmas haul that I did probably in November. So it's been a bit since I've done a haul, and so that's what I'm bringing to you, just a quick Dollar Tree haul for upcoming DIYs that I needed some items for and some really cool new finds. There are some new items at the Dollar Tree that I was excited to find that I wanted to share with you, so stay tuned and let's jump into this haul. Starting this haul off, my Dollar Tree is now carrying 2 new scents of the Bolero bath line, and I was pretty happy to see these. This one is the Lavender Chamomile, and they only had the bar soap. They didn't have anything else. So this is something that I'm gonna be keeping my eye open for, is any of the creams or the hand soaps or the facial wipes. And they also had this coconut milk and mango. This one smells absolutely amazing. And I am really keeping my fingers crossed, hoping that they get more of this line in, because these 2 scents are amazing, but I gotta say, this is the front runner to me. This coconut milk and mango, loving it. This was also a fun find. Allie found this and really wanted it. Is this Pillsbury Real Cinnamon Roll Candle. The Dollar Tree in my area has never carried these, and so I thought this was a fun find. This candle smells amazing, and so Allie saw it and she wanted to participate and add to the new finds of the Dollar Tree, and so we picked this up to show all of you. And of course, you know her big sissy likes to make fun of her. We got 2 more sets of press-on nails for Allie to play with because we can't pass these up when we see them. This 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner that smells like watermelon. This was a find from Allie. It was something she wanted, and believe it or not, this smells really stinking good. A 4-pack of these silver or chrome hooks. This is for an upcoming DIY. And this 12-pack of these 1-inch hooks. This is also for an upcoming video. 2 8x10 black frames for an upcoming video. A dry erase board for an upcoming video. An 8-pack of magnets. Here is another fun new find. I love this. Dun-dun-dun. Literally though, I do love this. This was fun. I know that Dollar Tree has a lot of their Valentine's Day stuff out, and what I loved about this is that it is wood, and it isn't the red and pink that you typically see around Valentine's Day. And so this was definitely something that I picked up that I will be incorporating into the background of my videos because I absolutely love this. A red mug for an upcoming DIY. This mix and serve container. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree, and so this looks like just the right size for my homemade ranch. I have a container that's probably 3 times the size of this that I make my homemade ranch in, and it is just too big. And so I thought this would be perfect for that. Just the right size, not too big. Some of Dollar Tree's coffee for an upcoming DIY project that makes for a great gift. This was another cute find. These old retro stickers. These stickers aren't something that I've ever seen there. I think that retro is definitely making its way back, and I thought that these were really fun. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I picked them up because I just knew that if I didn't, I would regret it. Another new find that my store has never carried, this LA Colors Conceal Correct. LA Colors has this yellow liquid corrector stick, this highlighter stick. I also saw that they had this peach one. Not sure what this one's for, but I'll figure it out. And they've got the green and the purple. I'm not sure how they work, but I gotta tell ya, I bought a few of LA Colors gift sets from Walgreens this past December, and I am really happy with their product. LA Colors has really stepped it up, and so I'm hoping that these work just as well as the gift sets that I picked up this past December, because I'm really happy with them. And like I said, I feel like LA Colors has really stepped it up a notch, and so this is a great fun find. And lastly, I picked up this 2018 desk calendar that I will also be using in an upcoming DIY. And I will also tell you that there is one other new find that I found at the Dollar Tree that I'm excited to bring to you because I'm gonna be bringing it to you in an upcoming DIY.
Guys, did you see my cinnamon roll candle? It smelled really good.
Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for this Dollar Tree haul of fun new finds in January. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy everything on a budget, and bye for now.